Everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Oracle espresso machine. It comes here for many issues. The machine was like doing really weird noise and not making coffee in the right way, sometimes like working by itself, sometimes not working, and even the boilers was like the popcorn boilers we call it. It's like something also giving weird sound. I did repair it. I replaced this uh, safety valve. It's we call it like safety valve or water valve, and the other valve was this one was broken. The other one was able to be repaired. So I replaced only this O-ring inside it. It comes in here, and the machine get like cleaning cycle 2 times and descaling. And with that one, I replace this group head gasket, and it gets also clean, and the triboard also get clean with electronic cleaner. It's like a lot of stuff did on this machine, and I didn't mention everything, and even in the estimate I wasn't sure like I can replace or find this. This is the manual, this one, this bottom, but like I'm glad like I got one. It's not new, they didn't sell it, so I didn't charge even for the thing or labor. I just like replaced it since I have it. And yeah, that's it. So let's go ahead and test the machine. It's get actually tested, and I lifted on my bench, and I lifted on, turn it on and off, and I did it overnight, and it was like perfect. So let's start with the steamer. That steam one also gets like really deep clean, cool, works perfect. Let's test the hot water. That works great too. And espresso shot now. It's tight a little bit with the new gasket. Fusion in the beginning, and should give us kind of, yep, there is the pressure going now, and you can get more pressure if you use a finer ground. This is coarse a little bit, but it's still okay. It's just for testing. With this amazing shot, 3 layers of coffee and thick creamer. So yeah, that's all. All the functions now work perfect. Can turn it off, on, menu, stop it. This is like if you wanna. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching.